Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is HTML basic concepts. What we discuss on today? HTML5 basic concepts. I will explain with example and some description also. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. Exos technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the Exos technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? HTML5 basic concepts. Today, this is the sixth tutorial for HTML5 beginners. This is the sixth tutorial for HTML5 beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is HTML5 basics like HTML5 Doctype declaration, HTML5 headings, paragraphs, links, images, HTML5 buttons, how to create buttons, how to create lists. Okay, I will explain with example also. First of all, Doctype. HTML language equal to en. Okay. Next, I will write header. In header section, I will write title. HTML5 basics. Okay. Body. Okay, first of all, Doctype declaration is there. Suppose if we forget to mention the Doctype declaration, this web page is not supported HTML5 new elements like header, footer, section, and some form elements. Okay. First of all, what I am saying, HTML5 headings. Okay. H1. Source technologies. Okay, so check the output. Basic HTML. And this is the first. Yeah, this is the H1, H2, H3, different headings. Okay. Next what I am saying, paragraphs. How to write paragraphs? Access technologies provide all the web technologies, and digital marketing tools. Okay. Also check the output. And this is the output. This is the paragraph. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next, HTML5 links. How to create links. Okay. A href, source, images. Okay. Suppose you can click on this link, it will be open. Okay. Target blank means it will be open in another window. Okay. Next, HTML5 images.